Well, we have really three big earnings drivers, and we're kind of clicking on all cylinders here. The first is, of course, our core business, which has been doing well for a number of years, and that's looking to grow over 7% this year on top of 10% last year. And then secondly, we have the Stericycle business, which we bought only about 3 months ago, and that business, I guess there was a few questions when we bought it, and I think we've pretty much answered all those questions because today there's some real optimism around Stericycle. We felt good about it from the start. I think now the street feels good about it. We think that business has the opportunity to provide synergies double what we originally thought. Originally we said 125 million, and now we're saying 250 million over a period of 3 years. We like the growth trajectory of the business. We like the medical waste business and the information destruction business. So we're excited about that. And then the third thing is the sustainability businesses, renewable natural gas that naturally comes out of our landfills. We clean it up and turn it into pipeline quality gas. And then, of course, we're rebuilding all of our recycle plants. All of that adds about 800 million in EBITDA over a period of well, I guess starting in 27, we'll see that 800 million.
Well, I always regard that as found money because I remember the days when it really wasn't a factor. That's fantastic. I am very pro Stericycle. I always like that because it doesn't have any cyclicality. You do have some. I remember when you telling me, look, if there's a lot of homes being built, a lot of construction, then we get a little bit of a spike. This should smooth out any of that. Stericycle's big enough to actually smooth out what some people think is the cyclicality of WM.
Well, I think it's right. It's a little bit of a natural hedge for us. To your point, there's not much cyclicality to it. There's hardly any seasonality to it at all. I mean, we have a little bit of seasonality in our core business. This helps flatten that out. So I agree with you there.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.